Some people use fake background, have like an aesthetically pleasing background. Hi everyone, welcome to my space, my YouTube channel. Yes, how have you guys been? It's been a minute. Hope you guys are doing so great. How have your week been? Because mine have been so great. Thank the Lord. Thank you to all my new subscribers, the old one, and also the intending subscribers. Because I know once you wait and watch this video, you will surely want to remain in my space. So I'm guessing from the title, you already know what we're talking about today. We're talking about how to create a fake background. So you might be wondering how people do it, that they have a very nice background. Not everybody uses a real background. Some people use fake background. And you might be wondering how do they do it? You know, maybe you've had this thought of making videos, but then you don't have like an aesthetically pleasing background. And then you've been looking for how to create one. This video is for you. Just watch to the end and then you will step-by-step procedure on how to make a fake background using software. So with that being said, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can and turn on your post notifications so you can keep getting notifications anytime I post a new video. Yes. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So you go to any browser of your choice, you type in leonard.ai, and then it shows you this. This is what it looks like. Then you click on it, and then it brings you to this page where you create an account. So because I've created an account, I didn't have to go through the steps, but it's a very easy procedure. Then after that, then it shows you this page. You have create new image. So you click on create new image, and then it brings you to this. Then you type in your prompt. So you're entitled to 150 coins every day. That is it's for free. If you want to upgrade, then you have these options. You can see free for $0, but then for just 150 coins. Then if you want to upgrade, you have this other options, 85 monthly tokens and all those things. If you want to upgrade, fine, good and fine. If you don't want to upgrade, then you have it for free. Then you come back to this page, you type in your prompt. You see, you type it in exactly how you want your background to be. Once you type it in, you click on generate. You lose 8 coins immediately. So the more you generate, the more you lose your coins. Once you click on generate, then it loads the image for you. It loads a background for you. As you can see, I'm scrolling down so you could see the background that it's generating. This is it. This is what it generated. So you scroll through all the images that you have there, and then you pick any one of your own choice, the one you feel suits what you want to use the video for. Yes, or the background you want exactly. So I clicked on this. I wanted this. I like this. Then I downloaded this. So after downloading, because it's kind of phone I'm using, I had to save it. After downloading, I clicked on it and then had to save it manually. So you come to your apps and then click on Canva. Yes, once you click on Canva, it's a tool creators use. You might check it out. Then you type in YouTube thumbnail. So I clicked on YouTube thumbnail. You can click on anything else you want to use your video for. It might not be YouTube. So this is what I got. Then you click on the purple button. You come to images. You click on that design. Then you resize it. You have to resize it. So I had to resize it. Yes, this is what I did. I had to resize it. So you click on effects. And under effect, you have effects too. So you click on blur. When you have blur, you click on whole image, and then you increase the intensity depending on how you want your background to be blurred. So you say I increased it and then I reduced it because I was thinking of the one I wanted exactly. So after that, you keep increasing to when you get what you want. So this is what I got and this is what I wanted. Then after that, I decided to click on the purple icon below. Then I typed in YouTube logo. Then I had several options. So you can click on anyone. You can use any of the YouTube icons you want there. So I was scrolling down just to pick my desired one. So I got this one, and then I had to resize it at the right corner. I had to resize it. Then after resizing it, I went back to element, yes, to pick another icon, and that is subscribe button. So I had to resize it. Same thing I did to the other one. You resize it. Yes, you keep resizing it. So after I resized it and had gotten what I wanted, all I just needed to do was to download the image. So you download it. Download your image. So after downloading your image, you go to your CapCut. Yes, this is my CapCut. Then I clicked on it, on the image I downloaded, and this is what I got. So you extend the image to the video you want to upload. So there's an icon below, overlay. You click on it, you add the video you want to make use of, then you remove background. The icons below, you auto remove. It removes the background for you. You click on opacity, then you can see the effect of opacity, reduce and increase. Yes, so after that, you resize your video if it's not properly placed. Then you click on filter. There are several filters there. You click on the one you want. So that is the procedure on how to make your fake background. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I'll be posting more videos. Thank you. Bye.